Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CVS Health for prescription management, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official CVS Health website. Once on the home page, look for the sign in or create an account option. If you already have an account, click sign in and enter your login credentials. If you are new to CVS Health, select create an account. Follow the prompts to set up your account by providing necessary information. After logging in, navigate to the prescriptions section. Here, you can view all your current medications. To manage prescriptions, select the option to add a prescription. Enter your prescription details, including the medication name and dosage. If necessary, upload an image of your prescription for verification. Once your prescription is added, choose your preferred pickup or delivery option. To transfer prescriptions from another pharmacy, select the Transfer Prescription option. Provide the required information about your previous pharmacy. You can also schedule a medication synchronization if you have multiple prescriptions. To set up automatic refills, click on the refill option for each medication. Select Enroll in Automatic Refills for convenience. For any questions or issues, visit the Help section for FAQs. You can also contact CVS Health customer service through the options provided. Stay updated on your prescriptions by checking notifications in your account. Make sure to regularly review your medication list for accuracy. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you need assistance with your prescriptions. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined experience managing your prescriptions with CVS Health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.